Did you just click on this video? Did you just choose to click on this video? I assure you, you're on the right track, and whether you like it or not, your hair must grow. Hello, I'm Exceptional Debbie. Welcome to Deeply's Exceptional Care. On this channel, I reveal simple yet effective ways of reaching your hair goals and building your hair confidence. Are you interested? Please like, comment, and subscribe. You see this recipe I'm about to show you, It's very effective. I've been using it for a long time and it's been helping me conditioning my scalp and promoting healthy hair growth, because our hair grows out of our scalp, so the health of our scalp matters. Okay, if you don't have a healthy scalp, if your hair follicles are clogged up, if your scalp is dirty, it's going to affect the quality of hair that will sprout out of your scalp. So it's very important we maximize natural methods. You know I'm big on DIYs here. Natural and cost-effective ways of taking care and especially nurturing our type 4 hair. That's my major. Why should I have to rob a bank to care for my hair? So you can use this goodness as a tea rinse during your wash day session or as a hairspray while in protective style. I mostly use it as a hairspray. So make sure your scalp is clean, install a protective style, then apply it daily before oiling your hair. So it's important to incorporate Ayurvedic treatments in our moisturizing routine because they are natural, non-toxic, cost-effective, easy to access, and easy to make. You can always find these ingredients in your local market or you can order online. But if you don't want to go through that stress, I make for people at an affordable price, but you have to be within Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Do you know that you can also drink this portion? Yes, because in as much as we're trying to care for our hair externally, it's also important to do it internally. Do you get? This tea will not just help promote blood flow to our hair, it will also help us health-wise. Like generally, it helps to burn fat for those of us that want to lose weight. It helps to cleanse our gut. It's okay if you don't have all of the ingredients I used, or if you have more, good. As far as is an Ayurvedic herb, you can just follow the same process to make yours. It can last in your freezer for up to a month. See how rich the color is. If you noticed, I used a sizable amount of hibiscus leaves. Some of us now will go and pack hibiscus leaf and full inside. No, it's going to be too red, and aside that, the tiny particles can clog your pores. Do you understand? You know how when you drink zobo, your tongue will be so clogged up? Do you get? It will be colored and clogged up. That's how it is with your scalp. So don't put too much hibiscus leaf so that it doesn't clog up your pores. Because in as much as we filtered it twice, there are still some itsy bitsy microscopic particles in there, and you don't want those in your pores. So make sure you don't put too much hibiscus leaves. Just put the amount that is enough for the you get what I mean? Just eyeball it. If you spray this portion on your scalp, then oil. Do this consistently. Emphasis on consistently. It could be every day, it could be 3 times a week, whatever way works for you. You see dandruff, dryness, you see korokoro, you see stunt growth, you see excessive breakage, you see thin hair, those things will be far from you. Call it a love potion, call it a communion wine. But what I'm sure of, this potion is here to cater for your type 4 hair.